Hey guys, today's video I'm at my garage and I'm gonna try to get these doors open. As you can see, there is plenty of damage here. Looks like it completely bented my bottom portion of the bumper. So right now these doors are pretty stuck. So let's try to do it the Russian style. I'm not sure if this is the Russian style, but you know, I'm gonna claim it that it's the Russian style. First, to get the door loose, that's what you do right there. You kick it like that. You see, now the door is loose. Now you see that lock is actually not letting loose. So let's see, I have a screwdriver here. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna mess with this lock. Gonna go ahead and actually get this thing down. By the way, guys, they didn't even open the doors when they were actually inspecting this. Let's see here. Okay, I'm kind of hurting my hands now. Let's go on the other side for now. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna set the camera down over here. Hopefully you guys seeing this. Let me see here. All right. That's how it's done, guys. The doors are open. Look, it's even locked over here, and the lock still works. Let's inspect the damage. All right, first of all, you can clearly see this door has seen better days. It obviously broke right there, big crack. This is me welding it last time. This rattled loose. So probably could straighten out this door, but I'm gonna just install a different door on it. Okay, this actually was a new plastic piece. However, some of the stuff was broken on it due some loading. I bought this piece new, but they were loading me and they actually broke it. There was a piece here, looks like it got missing in an accident. As you can see, this is original holes right here. This is where the bolts go through for the spare. Obviously I've removed those bolts a while back. So for the most part, here's what I'm going to tell you guys. We got this metal step. All I gotta do, bend the step back, lift it up. I'm gonna have my doors back. And that bumper piece, as you can see, it was completely rusted off. Looks like a good solution would be just to go ahead and pull that piece out. Just leave it that original. Go ahead and pull this bumper off. Most of it held down with screws and stuff like that, so I would need to pull it down. This is going to be continued. Right now I'm just kind of trying to get the doors open and stuff like that, but in the next video I'm going to try to pull this bumper off. I'm going to pour off these plastics, and we're going to go ahead and straighten out this piece here and replace a couple rear doors. Hopefully I don't have any trouble getting these bolts loose. If I do have a nice torque wrench, which is right in here. Oh man, this thing's heavy. Oh, that's because it's got my straps on it. Yeah, this thing. I could put pedal to the metal and use this earthquake. This is going to be really easy. So far so good, guys. We got it open. Now I'm going to shut the doors back. I mean, I would like to straighten this piece out a little bit, but there's really no good way for me to do that right now. That way I can still use it, but I gotta go to the store right now, get myself an engine lift. So that is gonna be what I'm gonna do.